A year after their son's murder, a family is pleading with the judge to try the teenagers accused in his death as adults. Today, the defense made their case as to why the teens should remain in juvenile court. News 4's Rebecca Cardenas inside the courtroom for both days of this transfer hearing. Rebecca, walk us through the story. It is tragic for everyone involved here.
It absolutely is, Tracy. And today we learned a lot about both teens' troubling childhood and some of their behavioral history. And ultimately, though, it is up to a judge in this case to decide whether or not they can be rehabilitated.
Yorlet's family traveled 10 hours, nearly a year after the murder of their son, Kyle, to face his accused killers.
Tennessee and Davidson County have an obligation to my son and the people in Nashville to transfer these young adults to adult court and hold them accountable to the full extent of the law.
They aren't shying away from asking a judge to try two of the teens accused in his death as adults.
This is not shoplifting or spray painting graffiti. This is cold-blooded murder. When these young adults made a decision to senselessly murder my son, they also made the decision that they no longer wanted to be a part of a civil society.
Monday was the second day of a transfer hearing for 16-year-old Decorius Wright and 15-year-old Diamond Lewis. Testimony revealed Lewis initiated the robbery and that Wright snatched a gun from her hand before two shots were fired. A Metro detective testified Friday Wright fired the shot that killed Yorlitz.
If I was judge, I would want to know that the child was not the shooter personally.
Lewis's attorney believes she should remain in the juvenile system.
Do you think that any of these kids should be tried as adults?
No, I don't want to talk on that. Mine shouldn't.
The Yorlitz family will head back to Pennsylvania and wait for what they believe is justice to be served.
They chose to terminate their current lifestyle. My son did not choose to collapse and die on his living room floor with a gunshot wound.
Now, Decorius Wright's attorney did not want to go on camera, but I did speak with him after the hearing. He told me that there are no winners or losers in this case, only a room full of sad people. It will take the judge anywhere from 15 to 30 days to make a decision in this case. Tracy, Tom.